In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Salesforce with Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and ensure that you never miss a beat, this is the perfect way to get started. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the home page of Salesforce. Once you're on the home page, the first thing you'll do is locate the app launcher. You'll find it in the upper left corner of the screen. It looks like a grid of 9 dots. Click on it, and a menu will pop up showing all the apps available to you. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Tasks. This is where you can manage and create the tasks you need to keep track of. Click on the Tasks, and you'll be directed to the Tasks page. Once you're on the Tasks page, you should locate the Show More Actions button. This button typically looks like 3 vertically aligned dots. Click on it to reveal more options that you can perform within your task settings. Among the options presented, click on New Task to begin setting up a new task. A new form will pop up, prompting you to enter details related to the task you want to create. The first thing you'll need to do is input the name of the people involved with this task. It's crucial to ensure that you correctly type the names to avoid any confusion later on. Next, you'll be prompted to search for the relevant accounts. This will help you associate your task with a particular account or client that you're focusing on. When you find the account you need, click on it to select it. After selecting the account, you'll be taken to a section where you can click on the subject. This field is important because it helps categorize the task you're creating. Choose the appropriate subject type from the options available. This will help you and your team quickly understand the nature of the task at a glance. Next, you'll see options for the name of contacts. Clicking here allows you to select the specific contact or person associated with this task. With the contact chosen, the next step is selecting the due date, which is a critical piece of the puzzle for time management. Carefully choose a date that ensures you can meet your objectives effectively. It's always wise to provide any additional comments or notes that may be relevant to this task. This information can be valuable for context and clarity. After adding comments, it's time to choose the status for your task. This might range from not started to in progress or completed. Choose whichever best reflects the current standing of your task. Lastly, you're going to set the priority level of the task. This will help you and your team allocate time and resources effectively. Finally, after filling out all the necessary fields and reviewing for accuracy, go ahead and click the Save button. This will officially record your task in the system. And there you have it. Your task is now created in Salesforce. By following these steps, you can efficiently organize your workflow, ensuring that critical tasks are tracked and completed on time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.